So this is not like something that this area has seen ever, as you had mentioned.
Well, they've definitely experienced major hurricanes before, but not a direct landfall from something this strong and moving this slowly. Those are the two things that could make this more damaging, because you have the winds that are already tropical storm force, especially in the southern coast, that are already occurring. But then you won't get the strong winds and the core of the hurricane until late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and then it's an all-day hurricane event for Jamaica. Now, not every part of the island will get the same exact conditions, especially how far west or east it crosses the island. But you don't have the strong tropical storm force winds ending until Tuesday night, and the winds don't completely die down until later in the day, Wednesday. So this is a much stronger, longer duration event, and that makes the wind and water impacts worse than it was if it was moving along more quickly.
And that's something that's kind of key to this. Not only is it a catastrophic storm on its own, even if it was moving quickly, but the fact that it has been sitting over the weekend. I mean, they were already getting some flooding rains even late last week when it was still a tropical storm, but now the conditions have worsened this weekend. And you're saying not until maybe late Tuesday will they start to see improving conditions.